Howdy champs, my name is Mohit and people today. Uh, what you see in front of you was created entirely through jQuery and JavaScript, a little bit of JavaScript. No HTML, no CSS, plain, only standalone jQuery. As you can see out here, the HTML panes, the CSS pane is completely empty. There's absolutely nothing out there, and all that was done was by using the JS panel. Right. So basically, it's a color palette, it's a color array, which was created to demonstrate the use of arrays and each function. And you see that it shows us the different colors that we use in CSS, the color names and the actual colors that have been picked up from a colors array. So Alice blue, antique white, aquamarine, etc. It's a big color array. Array is nothing but a big variable, a mega variable. Okay, and then we've used the each function out here, passed in two parameters, index and value. Okay, and a division and a span were created entirely through jQuery JavaScript. Then we've used the EQ method to target specific elements. We've used the CSS method and hence bypassed the CSS completely. Okay, so the creation of the division, the creation of the span tag, the span element, and the CSS was done through the CSS method of jQuery. Okay, you can see that we have applied some CSS out here, some CSS out here. Okay, right, there you go. So it's that simple, guys. Let me show you let me change the view and show you the full page view. So did you know that jQuery in JavaScript was so powerful that it didn't need the crutches of, the support of, the help of either HTML or CSS? How very wonderful. I need to admit this was inspired by this ID 777 Colombi. I don't know how would you pronounce it. This ID, he had done a similar work. I forked his work. I made some changes to his work, and really sorry about the disturbance in the background. So I wouldn't say corrected. I just it's a different version of his work. Okay, so yes, truly entirely inspired by his work, and this is the result, guys. Okay, so this is part one, and usually in part one I only show you a bird's eye view. I just talk you through verbatim. I don't go deep, I don't code. I just give you an outline and overview of what we will be doing in depth in part number 2. So please join me in part number 2 to understand how this was made possible. I'll see you then. Bye bye. Peace.